I thought I'd show you how I protect my eyepieces. Eyepieces are a lifetime investment. They're not cheap, and you want to protect them as much as possible. Okay, this is my Teleview 31mm Type 5 Nagler. This is a case that I found for a telephoto lens, a camera shop. Some of these I actually had labels made, tags, and then epoxied them on. But this fits in here nicely. Here we have a Radiant eyepiece. This is a 3mm Teleview. And this is a Lowepro Z5 case. And all the Radians fit perfectly in this case. Now here's another case from Case Logic that all the Radians fit into perfectly. And that particular one is a TBC 403 black, again by Case Logic. Here we have another Case Logic case. Unfortunately, I don't think they make this anymore. I have not been able to find these. But in this particular case, the Deluge eyepieces from Teleview fit in here perfectly. Unfortunately, like I said, I wanted to get a few more of these. I had enough to where I could put all the Deluge in there, but I wanted a few more for something else, and I found out they don't make these cases. And here is the Delight by Teleview. And that same Case Logic number TBC 403 black works perfect with those two. Now this is an interesting case, also by Case Logic, and it is an MSEC4 black. And all the Radians and all the Delights will fit in here. Now the Delos, some of them are too long to fit in here. Now, it's a little bit more bulky case, but it's got hard sides. And when you open it up, it has this pocket. Again, a little more bulkier, but I really like this case. And here we see a Lowepro case for my Teleview diagonal. Don't think this one is made anymore either. I've had this a long time. So what you have to do is just, if you're interested in this kind of protection, is just find good places are Walmart, Myers out in my location, go to Amazon, and what I like is the extra added protection. So now what I can do is put all these together. Okay, I can put these together in a container or a box that I use to carry this stuff, and they're not going to bang around and get mistreated. Plus, here's another thing that I like about using these. When you take out the particular eyepiece in question and you pull the caps off, the caps go right inside the case. Then I zip it up. This way you won't lose the caps. They're contained in here. Put your eyepiece, diagonal, whatever it is you're using on the scope. When you're done with it, you open this up. The caps are in here. Put them on the item. Put the item back in its case, and you're protected. And here's another example from Case Logic. Again, I really do like their cases. This particular one is for my 40mm Meade super wide angle. So hopefully I've been of a little bit of help in how to take care of eyepieces as far as carrying them separately. And I've got a lot of them, and I just want to make sure that when I go to get one out, I haven't lost anything and that it is in good pristine shape.